Greetings Commanders, welcome back to the Retro playlist. We're heading back into Castle Master again. Hopefully some of you got my rather silly nightmare reference at the end of the last part, which you can watch by clicking the eye at the top right there. We ended the first part of the adventure stumped by a wall of all things. So let's see what happens next. Will we find a way around the wall? It's all very exciting. Let's get on with it, shall we?
Got a door over there. Oh, I'm still on crosshair mode. It seems to be blocked by a wall. And some sort of box or something. Another box worth investigating. See if there's anything in there. Maybe there's like a key or something for the wall, or I don't know, an axe or something. Ah, pushed it over. Okay, let's walk over the top, and maybe we can get over the top of the wall now. Yes. Hey, you know what? I think I'm doing pretty well here. I'm not very good at puzzle games. I love puzzle games, I'm just not very good at them. Me and my wife have just finished playing Room 2. We played both the Room games. Loved them. But we did struggle through them. We're playing another one at the moment, but I can't remember what it was called. Is that a gap in the floor there? Yeah, it looks like there's a gap there, doesn't it? Or is it? No, it's a platform. I'm slightly suspicious about this, but I can't see any other option but to spring the trap. Let's go. Okay, it's just... I don't think anything happened. We just walked over it. I just want to turn around and... I thought it might spike us from above or drop down and we fall through the floor, but... No, what's this? Is this a corridor? Yes, we are in a corridor. So we can go that way. Can we go the other way, or is it a corner? We can go both ways. It's a dungeon. Oh, this is like a maze, isn't it? I'm going to get lost. Right. Best strategy if you're in a maze is just keep going left, I think. I've heard that anyway. We'll see if it's true. From time to time. Whoa! Yeah, got ya. It was quick on the mark that time. I have lost some weights though that you can see. Lost a bit of strength. I'm gonna get lost. I'm gonna get lost. No! I don't want to get lost. Hey! Oh, that's different. I have to crawl under that, don't I? Definitely haven't been here before. Hopefully it won't squash us. No? I really hope it's not going to be a 2-hour video of me lost in a maze. People will love watching that, won't they? Oh. Okay, I do believe I am lost in a dungeon. I've been walking around for days now. I haven't really. I'm completely lost. I'm completely lost. I don't know what to do. All I can do is quit. I can't think of anything else to do. I was completely lost then. I was never going to find my way out. I'm going to have to start the game again, and maybe I'm not going to go through the catacombs this time. Maybe I'm going to try and do something else.
And so ends part 2. We did in fact find a way around the cursed wall, but then we got lost in a dungeon and gave up. I do hope that you enjoyed watching the video more than I did making it, because it was a living nightmare walking around those empty corridors for... I didn't even want to think about how many hours I was walking around there before I gave up. If you decide to join me in part 3, and I really do hope you do, we will not be setting foot in those catacombs again, I promise. In fact, I'm never going there again without a fully written out map of everything. We'll go somewhere else, and it will be much more interesting. I am positive about this. So hopefully I'll see you there. Hope you're all having a great day. This is Commodore 64 signing off.